Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's update. The Southern Region Ministry of Agriculture is currently working to prepare for July 4th, Muhammad Farms Day, formerly known as Founders Day. The past few weeks our goal has been to build a tiny house display for the FOI workshop. In order to do this, we needed a foundation to put the tiny home on. An old and unused trailer on the property had the foundation we would need. But first, we would need to demolish the trailer structure that was sitting on top of said foundation. Step 1. Demolition. We decided to split the trailer into two separate demolition tasks. First, we would take apart the extendable section of the trailer. Afterwards, we would take down the rest of the trailer. The outside of the trailer is covered in corrugated aluminum sheets and secured on the corners with a corner molding assembly. This assembly consists of the insert trim, the aluminum corner molding itself, and basic screws. Using utility knives, we cut the insert trim on the corner molding. From there, we were able to pull it out with our hands, exposing the screws. We used hand drills to remove the screws. Any extremities like windows, reflectors, or other bits and pieces were unscrewed from the corrugated aluminum sheets and put in recycling piles or garbage bags. Afterwards, the aluminum sheets could be removed with a pry bar. Removing the aluminum sheets reveals a layer of fiberglass insulation. We used shovels in between the wooden jousts to pull the insulation down off the walls and into garbage bags. Now that the wooden frame was the only part of the wall left, we used a reciprocating saw to cut into it, separate it into pieces, and carry off those smaller pieces to a pile to be burned. With the wall gone, we were able to move any furniture and trash outside of the trailer more easily. Once the floor was mostly clear, we used a reciprocating saw to cut up the other walls, ceiling, and the floor itself to be taken away and burned. With one side of the trailer removed, we decided to speed up the demolition by using a tractor to pull down the rest of the walls. By securing sturdy tie-downs, chain, and tension ratchets to the tractor and trailer, it only took a little bit of force to crush the walls. After the debris settled, we got back to breaking the trailer into separate materials. Recyclables like aluminum and wires would have their own piles, as well as trash and burnable materials. We continued to strip down the trailer until we hit the steel frame at the bottom. The waste tanks and clean water tanks are located in between the steel joists of the frame. Both of these must be drained so that the tanks can be removed. Throughout the demolition, we took time to move trash into garbage bags or piles, and we burn any materials that can be burned on the land to reduce the amount of trash that needs to be taken to the dump. Thank you for taking this time to view the tiny home project for Muhammad Farms Day. We will strive to give more updates as the project comes along, so look out for our next update on the framing process. Peace.